Alright, how you guys doing today? Yesterday I shot a video of my knock on piston 1. Well, today I took the cap off of the piston rod of number 1, and this is what it looks like. As you can tell, it's really worn and it's not soft. It's got some grooves in there, pretty deep. This is the bearing I took out, and it's really worn in there, pretty bad. So what I'm going to do next is pop the cap off number 4 and see what I have inside there. I got my camera lady today, Daisy again. She's the only person I have to hold the camera.
Hello.
So I'll give the camera to her and she can put it on number 4.
Number 4.
Alright. I already loosened up the cap nuts here. So I'm going to take these off and let's take a look in there. Haven't had a chance yet to look at it. Let's see if I can get it off here.
Okay, that's such a big. Ooh.
All right. The inside of this looks pretty smooth. It feels pretty smooth. My bearing in there. Let's see what this looks like in the journal.
That's done.
Got a lot of wear in this one too. It looks pretty worn. But it's still soft on this one though. Still pretty smooth. It's not really rough. But the bearing looks pretty
Bad.
looks like sandpaper in there. But to show you the difference real quick, you can see what this looks like here. It's really smooth. It's like glass compared to this one. Looks like sandpaper hit it or something. It's really rough. So I guess we're gonna have to probably get another crank or get this one tooled down and smooth again. So I'll keep you guys updated on the next one. So my granddaughter wants to be on the World Wide Web, so here she is again.
Hello.
So anyway, until the next time, bye.